Understanding Linear Motion, Chapter 1. This is a series of knowledge videos designed to help viewers understand linear motion systems, including their components, structure, principles, functions, and applications. The videos are divided into many chapters, so refer to the playlist or the chapter number indicator on the thumbnail of the video to get what you want. Linear motion involves a change in position exclusively along a straight axis in a specified direction without deviation. Linear motion is a crucial element of contemporary motion control across a diverse array of industries, encompassing robotics, manufacturing, engineering, medical devices, laboratories, semiconductors, packaging, oil and gas, automotive, and aerospace sectors. To achieve optimal performance in employing a linear motion system, it is imperative that the system be enhanced with state-of-the-art linear technology, ensuring its proper installation, operation, and maintenance. By adhering to best practices, seamless and precise linear motion can be attained, thereby enhancing efficiency and streamlining processes. Fundamentals of linear motion according to Newton's first law of motion. An object that is not subjected to any external forces will continue moving in a straight line without limit. Speed is characterized as the rate at which distance changes, or, more succinctly, the amount of distance covered within a specified time frame. Velocity, on the other hand, is the rate at which displacement changes. Acceleration denotes the rate at which velocity changes. In real-world applications, linear motion products often provide support and guidance for a mass, enabling it to move smoothly along a single axis.